Yo, what's good, guys? Tips FX, yeah, good. So, it's been quite some time, guys. I know I've been going too offline lately on YouTube. I said, let me just drop a quick update, a nice quick update that will be very, very helpful to you guys. So, basically, I just secured my bike, and that's why I've been so busy. So, I've been doing a lot of research about the bike I was going to buy secure because I needed a transport, a movement because moving from one place to another when you are living inside the school is kind of been difficult for me because not everybody have the access to come into the staff quarters of this part. And I know you guys might never understand, so I don't need to explain them. So guys, I said I was going to document this before um doing this video or shooting this video. So basically this video is going to be about what you need to know when growing a small account, specifically on our previous challenge account that we did, which was what the $10 to 1K challenge. Yeah, so basically, I said I was going to write some key points, some keynotes about the challenge right here. Of course, which I did. I think earlier I was doing some documentations on the challenge. So let me just quickly go through some of the important stuff you guys need to know when growing a small account, because I've been getting this on my DMs lately. Some people be asking me how did I do it, and like so the, any or also else what were the type of stuff I did that make me grow it to that specific amount, trading that kind of small account in the forex market to $1,000. Yeah, so basically let's say go straight to the first point. So the first point, guy, which is taking A plus setups. Of course, I said this at the beginning of the challenge that I was going to be taking only A plus setups in the market. So basically, if you don't know the explanation of A plus setup, let me just quickly break that down into the beginners level. So A plus setups are simply trades analysis, like how you enter your chart and you see trade setups in the sense that you predict that price is going to hit one major resistance or supply zone, and then price did that. You have one confirmation already. So instead of you entering a trade based off just that one confirmation, which is either a support or resistance, you wait for an extra confirmation. Extra confirmation could be weak rejection, which is what a candlestick confirmation, a price action confirmation. So that is two confirmations. That is what, and then you might not wait for what a moving average crossover again. So that is three confirmation. So any trade that is coming with two or more confirmation should be considered an A plus setup in the forex market. So this confirmation will make you have a stronger, a stronger bias. I will build more confidence towards that trade, and of course, it will definitely foster the movement of the trades here, because once you've seen price hit a major zone, weak rejection, moving average crossover, three confirmations, of course, they are definitely sure that this is going to go in your right directions, and that's what we just basically mean by what A plus setup. So that is the first thing you should keep in mind when growing a small account like this. And the reason is being that a small account don't have room for loss. I mean, if you take one loss, two loss, I mean, this even brings us back to the journey of me growing this $10 account. When I was actually growing the $10 account, I lost the first $10 account which I deposited. Of course, you're going to deposit $10 which you're going to start with. So I lost the first account which was $10. Sorry if you are hearing noise outside. It's just basically rain is falling. So, and I just said, let me drop something on YouTube. It's very important I drop something on YouTube. It's been quite some time. So basically, I blew the first one. First one, how I blew it was that I think I over leverage, which will bring us to the second topic. So I over leverage, and then I was risking, I think 0.3. Yeah, I think the 0.3 cent trade on that $10 account. Either 0.3 or 0.4, and I was risking like 20 pips, and then the account just went down. I lost that trade, and I think it was about minus. At the end of the day, it was about like $3 that was left. And I couldn't even grow that $3 again. So I had to deposit $10 again and take the challenge all over again. So it was my second trial that I started posting videos like this and challenges like this. So basically, that's why it's very important for you to take short trades. Because down $10 is one losing trade itself might just make you blow the account, you get that kind of stuff. So you're taking A plus setups, trade that you are sure of, and trade that are coming with a lot of confirmation. So guys, the second one will be over risking or over leveraging. I know, guys, it's a small account, and there's no how you are going to do. I mean, basically, growing a small account itself is over risking, is flipping. I mean, you are not going to be doing the same thing you are doing on a $1 million account or on a 100K account as how you be doing on a $10 or $100 account. Because, of course, you are looking to times 10, 10x the $10 account, times 100 in the $10 account. So, of course, we are over leveraging here. But at the same time, we can still do what? We can still cover our risks. Yeah, we can still manage our risks. We can't just not risk all on just one trade just because we are trying to flip this account. Because if you guys look closely, after I blew that first account, the second trade I took, if you guys look closely on the first episode, you guys saw that I only made $5. And I'm sure some of you are like $5. Why this guy posting $5? You are going to 1K and he's posting $5 profits. No, it wasn't like that, guys. So basically, on that trade that you guys saw, I was risking $2 to get $5, which was about a 1 to 3. Well, I think at the end of the day, we got about like a 1 to 2.5, which was even still kind of dope. I mean, any trade you are getting, you should be aiming for at least a 1 to 2 risk reward, like times 2 of what we are going to risk. So I was risking $2 from a $10 account to get what $5. So you guys now see the beauty now. I could afford to lose that same trade 5 times. So even if I was doing a small account, it didn't mean that I was risking everything on that $10 account. So don't over risk or over leverage. If you're going small account, let me give you a statistic that you can use to grow your account. So once you see an A+ setup, like I previously said, you can risk 30%, 20 to 30%. Max should be 35%. But reasonable one you should be looking at is 30%, 20, 30%. That should be what is in your head. So basically, for you to be able to flip this account, once you risk 30% and take a 1 to 3 risks reward, that means you're risking what? 30% to get 90%. It's just as simple as that, guys. 30% to get 90%, a 1 to 3 risks rewarding trade. So that means if you have what? Let's take for instance, you grow the account to what? Probably $3, or I said $3, $30, or let's say $10, your first trade. You can just risk $3 to get to what? $9, which is a 1 to 3 risk reward trade. And if you've grown to $100, you can just risk what? $30 to get $90. So 30%. So you guys might say how fresh 30% is, right? And you risking 30%. If you lose it, that means you can still your account will still be left with 70%. That means you can still afford to lose what? About 2 or 3 other trades before you eventually blow your account. Even if we are flipping it, we are trading aggressively. So 30% should be a good risk. 20 to 30%, 20 to 35 max should be a good risk reward strategy you should use. So the second one, like I said, over risking or over leveraging. The third and final one is I'll say basically the most important. So first one, I'll break this down into two. So the first one is, number one, the first thing you should consider is what? Follow your trading plan. Follow your trading plan and don't frustrate. Yeah, don't frustrate. So now you follow your trading plan, or what you should keep in mind when growing the small account is that stick to your strategy no matter what. Don't let market condition deceive you and just say you want to do this. And which even brings me to forcing trades here. When growing small account, this is one of the main reasons why many newbie traders or people blow their account. They force trades because this account, you are aiming to get this account to a particular target in a set period of time. We tend to force trades. You'll be like, there must be a trade today now. Today is Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. There must be a trade this week. I mean, if you don't see the A+ setup you're looking for, back up the chart. You might not even see it for the whole week. It's not necessary that you trade for that whole week. So if you don't see the A+ setup, back up the chart. Be patient enough and wait for that setup to play in, because your account is fragile. Trust me. And the crazy thing about you growing small account is that one loss, just one loss, that 30% or 20% loss that I'm talking about now, can literally just scatter your psychology. The psychology you have been training for the past few weeks will just be scattered. Just after you just take that one loss. Once you take that one loss, like this, boom. Before you just see that your account is gone, your account is blown. So you just really, really close. So make sure you stick to your trading plan and don't frustrate. That is one the major important one, because of course if it was not that I was kind of like an expert on growing this small account, it kind of like affected me, because there was one time I think the account got to I think about like $100 drawdown or something like that before I initially came back before hitting the 1K target. So that was due to me trying to trade every day. I'm trying to cover the challenge within a small period of time. So that was just the only issue and why that actually happened. So basically, I'll leave you guys with these tips, and basically, very sure that if you guys should apply these tips to growing your $10 accounts, your small accounts to a specific amount, I'm very sure that at the end of the day, you see the results just like I did. I mean, just like I did, and you guys saw, and everybody saw. So I'll leave you guys here. I'm sorry if the video is too short, and for those of you that missed my face, Dips is back, guys. Just know that Dips is fully back. I think I've secured everything I want for the past month and these few days of this month. And I think, yeah, I'm dropping video back to back now. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you share this video, guys. And make sure you go watch my challenge video. I mean, you guys saw that the series is dope. I'm getting a lot of love from you guys, and you guys can keep it coming, guys. And definitely, I think we'll take another challenge. Yeah, I think we'll take another challenge very soon. So if you guys want to see any other challenge, make sure you drop them down in the comment section. I'll be checking each and every one of them. So don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.